Ask me, hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thanks.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Okay, do you wake up at 6 o'clock?
Yes, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you brush teeth?
Yes, I brush teeth.
Do you take a bath?
Yes, I take a bath.
Do you get dressed at 8 o'clock?
Yes, I get dressed at 8 o'clock.
When do you get dressed?
I get dressed at 8 o'clock.
Do you go to temple at 8:30?
Yes, I go to temple at 8:30.
When do you go to temple?
I go to temple at 8:30.
Do you eat poha for the breakfast?
Yes, I eat poha for the breakfast.
What do you eat for the breakfast?
I eat poha for the breakfast.
Okay, do you study for 1 hour?
Yes, I study for 1 hour.
Do you study at 9 o'clock?
Yes, I study at 9 o'clock.
When do you study?
I study at 9 o'clock.
Do you go to school at 10 o'clock?
Yes, I go to school at 10 o'clock.
Do you go to college at 10 o'clock?
Yes, I go to college at 10 o'clock.
When do you go to college?
I go to college at 10 o'clock.
Do you study in Shivaji College?
Yes, I study in Shivaji College.
In which college do you study?
I study in Shivaji College.
Do you study in science department?
Yes, I study in science department.
In which stream do you study?
I study in science department.
Okay. Do you attend 8 lectures every day?
Yes, I attend 8 lectures every day.
How many lectures do you attend every day?
I attend 8 lectures every day.
Do you eat lunch in the canteen?
Yes, I eat lunch in the canteen.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch in the canteen.
Do you make notes?
Yes, I make notes.
What do you make?
I make notes.
Do you prepare the PPTs?
Yes, I prepare the PPTs.
What do you prepare?
I prepare the PPTs.
Do you appear for the tests?
Yes, I appear for the test.
Where do you appear?
I appear for the test.
Do you return home at 6 o'clock?
Yes, I return home at 6 o'clock.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye.
See you again.